We're going to build a brand new one-product Shopify store from scratch, and it's only going to take us a few minutes. The first thing we need to do is set up our Shopify account. Click the first link in the description below to claim your extended Shopify trial. You'll land on this page here. Enter your email and then click to start your free trial. After that, you'll be prompted to complete a short onboarding survey and select a plan. You'll get a success message and then land on the Shopify dashboard. Once you're signed up for Shopify, next we'll set up the AI tool that will build our store for us. Click the second link in the description below to install it. Clicking that link will take you to this page here. Click Try Atlas for free, and then click Install Atlas on Shopify. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. Click the Install button on the left side of the page. Next, you'll get this pop-up. Click Install. When it finishes installing, you'll see this Atlas onboarding flow. Go to the left side, and in your nav bar, click the pin next to Atlas AI Store Builder to pin it to your navigation. Now that our AI Store Builder is installed, let me show you how to generate an entire Shopify store with only a few clicks. On this Atlas welcome page, click Start Setup. Then make sure Generate Store is checked and click Next. Here you'll be prompted to select the product you'd like to generate a store for. There are two main ways you can do this. You can import a product with a link from Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress. Or if you already have your product loaded into Shopify, you can check the box for Shopify and proceed. First, I'll show you how to import from AliExpress. I found this really cool retro leather messenger bag on AliExpress, so I'll simply grab the link for it, go back to our store, and then paste in the link. Then click Proceed. And that's all it takes to generate a store. It just needs to process for a few moments, and then that's it. If you'd rather import your product from Shopify, go ahead and click Shopify, and then select your product from the list, then click Select. After that, the store setup steps are essentially the same for any product import option that you choose.